ಶ್ರೀಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಗ್ರೇ ಕೃತ್ವಾ ಕಮಪಿ ಚರಣಂ ಜಾನುನೈಕೇನ ತಿಷ್ಠನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ ಪಾರ್ಥಂ ಪ್ರಣಯರಸಜುಷಾ ಚಕ್ಷುಷಾ ವೇಕ್ಷ್ಯಮಾಣಃ ಸವ್ಯೇ ತೋತ್ರಂ ಕರಸರಸಿಜೆ ದಕ್ಷಿಣೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಂ ಆಬಿಭ್ರಾಣೋ ರಥಮಧಿವಸನ್ ಪಾತು ನಃ ಸೂತವೇಷಃ.
ಓಂ ಪ್ರಪನ್ನಪಾರಿಜಾತಾಯ ತೋತ್ರವೇತ್ರೈಕಪಾಣಯೇ ಜ್ಞಾನಮುದ್ರಾಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾಯ ಗೀತಾಮೃತದುಹೇ ನಮಃ. ಸನ್ಯಾಸಸ್ತು ಮಹಾಬಾಹೋ ದುಃಖಮಾಪ್ತುಮಯೋ ಗತಃ ಯೋಗಯುಕ್ತೋ ಮುನಿರ್ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ನ ಚಿರೇಣಾಧಿಗಚ್ಚತಿ. In this verse, Bhagavan Shri Krishna clearly explains a very important idea about sannyasa. Hey Mahabaho, O mighty armed Arjuna, Bhagavan wants to motivate Arjuna and help him think with clarity. But sannyasaha ayogataha aptum dukkham. Taking karma sannyasa without doing karma yoga will bring pain and sorrow to oneself. Thus, one should not emotionally give up one's duties and take sannyasa without attaining maturity of the mind. Ayogataha sannyasaha aptum dukkham. Karma sannyasa in the absence of karma yoga will certainly be sorrowful. We can recollect Bhagavan's teaching in the 3rd chapter of the Gita, wherein he said, if one gives up one's duties and takes sannyasa without qualifying for it, his mind will become spoiled. Karmendriyani samyamya ya aste manasa smaran indriyarthan vimudhatma mithyacharassa uchyate. We saw this shloka in the 3rd chapter, 6th verse earlier. Thus, one has to be very careful while taking karma sannyasa. Even though Bhagavan is praising the sannyasi, he wants that sannyasa should not be taken without gaining purity and maturity of mind. In the 2nd line, he highlights that in the presence of karma yoga, karma sannyasa becomes easier. In other words, karma yoga facilitates karma sannyasa. Yoga yukto munihi refers to the well-informed sadhak who has united himself with karma yoga. He knows very well that sannyasa should not be taken before gaining maturity of mind. He does all his actions as an offering to Bhagavan without expecting any worldly results. Such a karma yogi is mentioned as munihi in this context. Only a karma yogi becomes qualified for karma sannyasa. Achirena, quickly, without taking much time. Brahma adhigacchati. In this context, the word Brahma means sannyasa. According to Adi Shankaracharya, there is evidence in Mahanarayana Upanishad to prove that the word Brahma can give the meaning of sannyasa. Nyasa iti Brahma. Why Shankaracharya interprets Brahma as sannyasa, proving that there is a Vedic mantra for that. Sannyasa is for knowing Brahman. Therefore, the word Brahma may be interpreted as sannyasa. Thus, Adi Shankaracharya gives the meaning of sannyasa and not the ultimate truth for the word Brahma. A karma yogi becomes qualified for karma sannyasa. Thus, karma yoga alone is the best sadhana for majority of the people. For most of the people, karma yoga alone is better than karma sannyasa. Karma yoga is good for people who have mindset like Arjuna. One who has united himself with karma yoga, that munihi, well-informed person, gets qualified quickly for sannyasa, is the essence of this verse. Sannyasastu mahabaho dukkhamaptumayo gataha yoga yukto munir brahma न चिरेणाधिगच्छति. My prayerful blessings to all of you. Hari Om.